Okay, so I'm the last of a movie star, and I'm not really very good on a camera, but I've been asked to put a video together on some of the products that BSL have offering us. BSL are one of our major trade partners, and I thought spending some time here in China this week, I'd like to share some of the products that they've got in their demo room and in the factory. And now's a good time to actually put a face to the name. This is Eric. So Eric is the majority founder and the majority shareholder of BSL. Bella is the sales manager, who plays a big role in our lives. And it's a really good relationship. And having come out here this time, I'm really proud to see what they've grown and where they're going. And we look forward to all the good things that come in the next chapter. So let me start off by looking at their demo room here. On this side over here is traditionally all the low voltage batteries that we've been instrumental in developing in South Africa. There's one here that I see is not our design, but the majority of what we've used back in Johannesburg or back in South Africa. I think on this side here is, if stand to be corrected, this is BSL's new range of high voltage, let's call them low capacity batteries. Typically a 10 kilowatt hour, 15 kilowatt hour, and a modular solution. That might be probably suitable to like the Victron type HV inverters coming, etc.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Potential markets for next.
And then over here is something that is a very exciting chapter. This is BSL's high voltage range, typically for inverters that are 50 to the 200 kilowatt mark. In this configuration here, they're 10 kilowatt hour blocks, and obviously you build the block to whatever you want and within the range of the inverter. It's a product that we will very soon have in stock, and yeah, I think this is where we're going to have a lot of growth in the next 12 months. If we turn around this side here, we're in the process of negotiating a separate independent forklift division, catering for most forklifts, huh?
Yeah.
All forklifts.
They cover, we have more than 1,000 models and working in this field more than 5 years old.
Okay.
More than 5 years.
So is the idea to try and have a general model like a flexible?
Yeah.
Or to do more custom sizes? Drop-in models. Yeah. And they still all have the original 12 and 25 volt versions as well.
This for golf car and ATV.
Golf cart batteries, which we know about, and this is the ATV.
Yeah.
This is a very interesting model. Tell me about this.
Motorhome.
Oh, motorhome.
Yeah, motorhome, yeah. For like the storage.
This is quite a clever concept. It's a 12 volt battery. Very, very sleek in its design. Makes it very easy for motorhome, possibly also marine, huh? Boat.
Yes, marines maybe like this. So marines we have also different design for the storage and the multi power. Yeah.
Marine is most like this type. This is special for RV.
Yes. I like the thin look.
Yeah.
What is that, like a 2U?
Yeah, this is similar but even less than 2U.
Yeah, it looks very thin.
Very thin and,
Okay.
and compared to the last piece, this is 12 volt 200.
Right.
They are
100 and 200 amp
volume
hour.
very small, yeah,
Yeah.
and easy to install in oven.
Great. Okay, so I think, can we show off the design room? You can see on this side here is their design office. That has a whole lot of hard-working designers. So it looks like a lot of people working there on design, huh? And they're designing from LV to HV to also forklift design and stuff as well.
The electronics engineers and mechanical
Engineers
engineers.
and those.
also
So you have the full
system
collection.
engineers. But we
Okay.
also have one BMS team on the other
On the other side,
on
yes.
the other side building.
Yeah, very, very interesting.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, another interesting product by BSL. We are now getting into the bigger commercial products. I'm not the engineer here, but quite interesting. This is a 100 kilowatt inverter, full ESS system with a 200 kilowatt hour lithium battery, complete with its cooling and its fire suppression system built in, PCS inverters, and obviously those are the modular battery bank and scalable depending on the size that you want. This is on and off grid application.
Yes.
And then on this side here, they have a different configuration. This is more of an off-grid application. All integrates with the generator. The batteries are at the back, eh? Yeah. Lots of exciting products from BSL.